Though a comprehensive provision enabling the court to direct payment of compensation has been in existence all through, but the experience has shown that the provision has rarely attracted the attention of the courts to stop. Time and again, the courts have been reminded that the provision is aimed at serving the social purpose and should be exercised liberally, yet the results are not very heartening. Full stop. The Supreme Court again noted that Section 357 CRPC is an important provision, but the courts have seldom invoked it, perhaps due to the ignorance of the object of it. Full stop. The relevant portion of the said judgment is reproduced here under full stop. In this case, we are not concerned with subsection within bracket 1 full stop. We are concerned only with subsection within bracket 3 full stop. It is an important provision, but the courts have seldom invoked it. Full stop. Perhaps due to ignorance of the object of it. Full stop. It empowers the court to award compensation to victims while passing judgment of conviction. Full stop. In addition to conviction, the court may order the accused to pay some amount by way of compensation to the victim who has suffered by the action of the accused. Full stop. It may be noted that this power of the courts to award compensation is not ancillary to other sentences, but it is in addition thereto. Full stop. This power was intended to do something to reassure the victim that he or she is not forgotten in the criminal justice system. Full stop. It is a measure of responding appropriately to crime as well as of reconciling the victim with the offender. Full stop. It is to some extent a constructive approach to crimes. Full stop. It is indeed a step forward in our criminal justice system. Full stop. We therefore recommend to all the courts to exercise this power liberally so as to meet the ends of justice in a better way. Full stop. Stanza. The Supreme Court again observed that the criminal court do not appear to have taken significant note of Section 357 CRPC or exercised the power vested in them thereunder. Full stop. The relevant portion of the said judgment is reproduced here under. Full stop. The provision of payment of compensation has been in existence for a considerable period of time on the statute book in this country. Full stop. Even so, the criminal courts have not, it appears, taken significant note of the said provision or exercised the power vested in them thereunder. Full stop. The Supreme Court again noted with despair that Section 357 CRPC has been consistently neglected oblique ignored by the courts despite series of pronouncements to the effect. Stop.